Man.
I saw him. I saw him.
No, you know something? It's tough because you don't know who really. You can't. You're not looking back, so you really don't know who's behind you. You know.
Let's get a clown.
I'm trying to stay within, like, in the middle because I know people will come around me. So I was trying to stay in the middle where I'm not cutting everybody off. You know. Better off. This is the turn that actually gets you because it's so sharp. See how the 110s, like they brake hard right there?
Get on the 100 started sliding. The yellow one started sliding.
Maddie Grant.
Whoa!
Whoa! Got a girl on the red. Red bike, that's Maddie Grant.
The kid on the yellow one started sliding.
Yeah, he's sliding. Slid on that turn right there and then the street. That right there, that turn over there in the back. Woo, boys, it's up right here. Oh man, I've been taking it really like wicked. Try to get a group pick, Chris. When they come around, get the group.
I already got them like 5 times.
Whoa! Ooh, the back tire came out. They're flying. Man. Comes the group. I'll do the race later on. It's got to dry up for me. I don't want to wreck the big bike. We're going to take a break and hopefully it'll dry up. Get the sun out and it'll dry up. Got to stop raining. It's got to just stop raining.
Overcast right now. It's chilly though.
I'm not chilly. I guess I got this.
What are you wearing your stupid leather jacket?